right, guys, so we are back. We are headed to Caleb's open house for his new shop that he just opened. Caleb is a detailer here in Orlando. He did some mobile details for BMW Invasion last year. He's more than likely going to do some for us this year. And cool guy, he's been really blowing up in the community. And so we're gonna go to his new shop and support him out. So we just made it out here. We're waiting on Viet, Ben, Danny. I believe Chris is coming too. So we're gonna wait up, see, and then I'll take some B-roll for you guys. Of course, we have Kyler's car. I didn't realize he was here. Right here.
That golden hour hitting different right now.
Yeah. It's pretty bright. It's hitting good on the sunset. Yes.
Sunset.
Yeah, sunset. Hey. Got some more BMW showing up. We got this whole lineup where I parked. Got the Tanzanite. I want to say the next one is Lime Rock, but I feel like it's not. Maybe it's Nardo?
Yeah.
Is it Nardo?
Don't ask me.
Yeah.
It looks so similar.
I can't tell.
Is it
But then we
CS?
got the Lime Rock Edition E92. Or wait, maybe it's not. Maybe it's just Fire Orange and not Lime Rock.
We don't
But
know today.
this thing's
These are
pretty
those
sick.
colors.
In here, this place is amazing. I believe it's a shared space, but he's got a cool motor desk, super cool signs, and then they have like a lounge area, and then that's where they have some cars that they can, I guess, detail in videos, but we'll go over there. Of course, we have the AMG. This thing is sick. I love these cars. Always wanted one. Absolutely amazing. Yo, we got Caleb. Love the new spot. So,
Appreciate it.
you excited?
Yep, super excited. Big moves coming.
New beginnings.
Oh,
A lot more clients coming in.
PPF tape coming soon.
ooh, what PPF brand? What?
I can't release
You
that
can't
yet.
you can't say?
I can't
Oh
say it.
man.
Secret it right there.
Well, thanks, Caleb. I got this from you for free. So thank you. Big shout out to Caleb. Look at these guys over here, boy. Standing by my car. Oh, Viet pulled up. So he is starting his vlog. So I'm gonna sneak up. Yo, you better go grab you some free stuff, man. I just got me a free bottle of Hydro.
What is this? What is this?
It's Hydro, it's like ceramic.
Oh, Car Pro.
Yeah,
Nice
yeah.
stuff. Good. We got towels in.
See your reaction when we walk in.
All right.
Yeah,
For all the people, there's some here.
yeah,
so
he'll get some B-roll.
But yeah, we're gonna get Caleb's.
I'll be right back, I promise.
All right, you good.
All right, let's see Viet and Danny's reaction to the shop.
We got a whole motor. There's a table. For the ice for you guys.
What's up? Chilling. Take pictures and video. I love it.
Yes, absolutely.
This is crazy. This is crazy. Look at that car there. And look at this. I forget. He told me one time. What engine is this?
I can't remember. I thought it was yeah, I can't remember what motor was on it, but
Insane.
it's
or
sick.
what? Yeah.
I think it's sick. I think the lighting and everything's really cool. I really love the photo shoot area back there.
Yeah. We'll get there.
And yeah, it looks absolutely amazing.
Hell yeah.
Um,
I like how black. I mean, you know me, I like blackout everything.
Yep, yep.
And so this is definitely my style,
Yeah.
how dark it is.
Absolutely.
You walk in, you got a sick lobby, you got a little entrance right there, bathroom. Dope.
Oh, just wait till you see the
Shit's badass.
the special room. I didn't even see the bathroom yet. This man got a black toilet.
This is
Yo, the
sick.
black toilet's sick. Hey, hey, look at that. Took some time to adjust. They got sandwiches. Caleb, this is what our money's going to? No. All right, make a left. Make a left. Viet is hyped.
This is crazy. You get a carbon fiber helmet. This is gold.
We got MOTOGEAR. Hey, 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 what's going on? What do you guys think of the shop? Yeah, it looks sick.
Look at this.
Yeah, this looks amazing right here. We just need to get our cars in here now.
We definitely have to do a full feature.
Yeah, for sure. All right, so great show out to Caleb's. So huge shout out for having us here. His awesome venue. We're gonna close this out. And we'll catch you later.